Hi, my name is Derek Lupton and I'm the Territory Manager for Epicor in the UK for our product called Tropos, which is a system specifically designed for food and beverage manufacturers. Has a long history in the business and is able to cope with some of the special features that food and bev manufacturers need, such as yields and traceability and quality control, which are more and more important. Tropos is a system which is modern, very open and is browser based, so it's very easy to deploy across the business, including on the shop floor, and it really gives you that end-to-end solution that brings everything together and gives you the data in real time that you need to make better decisions throughout the business, not only for the future but for day-to-day running. In terms of Industry 4.0, Tropos has always been able to connect to plant and to waste scales and look at yields and other information coming from the shop floor, including OEE, of course. These days we're extending that now to looking at how we can better use that data and also how we can interact with autonomous equipment such as robot warehouse equipment, AI systems, and some of the other new innovations that have been brought into the manufacturing space. In terms of that, for example, we have one customer who's recently used our new tool set to analyse data coming through Tropos from the shop floor, and they've been able to save over £1 million in the last year alone just by looking at how very, very small changes and small delays in the manufacturing process can add up to a very large number. So they've been able to take out small losses of time, small areas of waste, and over their 5 sites they found that's added up to a real saving of £1 million. So it's something that Tropos is heavily invested in, that Epicor recognises across its estate, and that we're very keen to develop together with our partners and our customers.